Peace, 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 y'all. It's Mama Mystic representing altercreations.net coming to you with my very first video, how to steam your womb on a budget. And if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and share with the ladies that you know. So let's get into it. Womb steaming detoxes the womb of unwanted energies. It detoxes the womb of toxins, buildup of old blood. It helps rejuvenate the womb. It helps create a space that will allow you to create new life and new ideas. Womb steaming is like deep cleaning your house. So what you would need is your Goddess Throne and Herbs steam packet, 6 to 8 cups of distilled water or spring water, a heat-resistant bowl, an 8 by 11 piece of cardboard, a towel, a blanket or quilt, and a relaxed atmosphere and a relaxed body. You can also have your tea, some smooth music, your favorite books. Crystal and honey are optional. And if you don't have your Goddess Throne and Herbs womb steaming kit yet, I will include a list of herbs in the description. So here I have my honey to add a little extra sweetness. I have my water that I charged with my goddess crystals. And I have my womb steam blend. Alright, now I'm boiling my charged water. So here I'm using mugwort, hibiscus, rose petal, wormwood, and red raspberry leaf. I will leave a list of herbs that you can get from your local supermarket in the description. Boil your herbs for 5 minutes, turn your burner down low and let them simmer for about another 5 minutes. Then turn your burner off and let them steep for 5 to 7 minutes so you don't burn your vagina. Next, you want to prepare your toilet. Make sure the water is turned off. At the bottom there's a knob, you'll turn that off. You'll flush it to make sure all the water is out. Then you'll place your cardboard and your towel to insulate. Then you'll place the bowl on the towel. This is where I will add my honey, pour my mixture, close the lid, and prepare for my steam. So here I have my writing material, a few books that I'll be working through, and I also have my little altar set up. I like to have a serene, peaceful environment as I'm steaming. So I'll sit here for about 45 minutes to an hour, pretty much until the water has no steam left. So I wrap myself in my fleece blanket, fleece to help sweat out those toxins faster. And I have a warm cup of tea, nothing cold because I don't want to lower my body temperature. So why womb steam, you ask? Enhanced fertility, releases you from traumatic experiences, releases the energy of past partners, cleanses buildup of old blood, helps with postpartum healing, helps and tones the uterus and vagina, rejuvenates vaginal tissue, increases blood circulation to the uterus, balances vaginal pH levels, and many, many more. A lot of these herbs you can find in your spice cabinet. If you don't have them there, head on down to your local international market, grab you 5-6 packs of herbs and a gallon of water, and there you go. Why buy water, you ask? It's not really recommended to use tap water. Tap water contains a lot of different toxins and extra chlorine and fluoride that you really do not want anywhere near your vagina or inside your womb. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, head on over to altercreations.net to check out my steams and check out the altar supplies. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at mama_mystic911. My DMs are always open, so slide on in. Peace.